Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Learn English with Coffee with Karan.
Wardrobe, you have an airport look, you have completely a designed demeanor of being a pregnant woman in the fashion business, in the show.
Demeanor means the way someone looks, behaves, or carries themselves. For example, her calm demeanor impressed everyone during the interview.
You know, she's the biggest Jagga Jasus on the faces of this earth.
I know.
She has a conglomerate.
Not just me, it has to be Ranbir as well.
Conglomerate means a large company that owns smaller companies and businesses in different industries. For example, Disney is a global conglomerate with businesses in movies, theme parks, and television networks.
I just feel like it's about time as women and as actors, as artists, that we get our due.
It's about time means something should happen soon or is long overdue. For example, it's about time you start focusing on your career.
Has this given a hit film this year? I think it's fantastic.
Yeah.
That, you really walk the talk in a certain sense.
Walk the talk means to do what you say you will do. For example, he promised to support us. Now he's walking the talk by funding the project.
No, I want to know, will you be covering that child, or will you be showing the face, or will you
Showing
be
the face?
Like, how people get hysterical about the baby's face in the first.
Hysterical means extremely emotional, often in an uncontrollable way. For example, the crowd became hysterical when the celebrity arrived.
I don't discuss my personal life. It's something that I think is very sacred. And I just
Sacred means something very special, holy, or respected. For example, the Ganga is considered sacred in India.
Yeah, I know, but you love the fact that you're like this triple alliteration.
Yeah.
Kareena Kapoor Khan.
Love it.
You feel that's
Alliteration means repeating the same sound at the start of the words. For example, she sells seashells by the seashore is an example of alliteration.
now when you see everyone going out of whack about what to wear on a red carpet or
Out of whack means something not working properly. For example, my schedule is totally out of whack today.
Anything. I will not overtly style myself. I will be classic and wear what I think is stylish and what I look good in.
do you think
Overtly means in a way that is very obvious. For example, she was overtly excited about the trip.
Sonam, do you think that this year finally you feel vindicated? Neerja has emerged as one of not only a solid performance but a
Vindicated means proven right or innocent after being blamed or doubted. For example, he was vindicated after winning the case.
I'm only listening to Priyanka Chopra this, Priyanka Chopra that all the time. So inadvertently, even I've become a fan.
Inadvertently means accidentally or without meaning to. For example, I sent the email inadvertently to the wrong person.
And for you to be good at your job and to have a longevity in this industry, so you can
Longevity means something that lasts for a long time. For example, the longevity of this brand is due to its quality.
I know.
But Sonam, I have to say, I can see an entire change of graph. Like today you're more poised, you're more quiet, you're not.
Poised means calm and ready for action. For example, she remained poised under pressure during the competition.
Don't put me.
No, but I would love to be a fly on that wall.
See, she wants to be put her.
I don't want to be, I said I want to be a fly on the wall.
Fly on the wall means someone who observes without being noticed. For example, I wish I could be a fly on the wall during their conversation.
I was very good.
I was very good, she said.
I was fab.
Okay, Sonam, are you ready? Brace yourself.
Yeah, okay.
Brace yourself means prepare for something challenging or unpleasant. For example, brace yourself. The weather is about to get really bad.
Feel like ranking the following, boys?
I don't know if I should rank, but first of all, why do we have a plethora of boys?
Okay.
Plethora means a large or excessive amount of something. For example, she has a plethora of ideas for the new campaign.
See, I just said my lucky
Sonam, what is-
mascot is here.
You have to sit in the
Lucky mascot means something or someone that brings good luck. For example, the team calls him their lucky mascot because they always win when he is around.
Yeah, so because of his proximity to the two of you, I thought that he would be our last and final grand
Amazing.
pick.
I love it.
Proximity means being close to something or someone. For example, the proximity of the cafe to my office makes it a perfect lunch spot.
Why?
It's my greatest achievement since I've become an actor is to be able to befriend her and be
Befriend means to make friends with someone. For example, I try to befriend new students at a school to make them feel welcome.
able to make an acquaintance and be invited into the coterie.
What?
Acquaintance means someone you know but not very well. For example, she is just an acquaintance, not a close friend.
But she makes it look good.
Yeah.
She makes foot in the mouth look
Yeah.
great. That's what Sonam.
Foot in the mouth means to say something embarrassing or wrong. For example, he put his foot in his mouth when he mentioned her age.
was. And Sonam, you were amazing in it, and I was blown away. By
Blown away means to be very impressed or amazed. For example, I was blown away by the beauty of Taj Mahal.
And I like the way she's handled herself. She's been very, very articulate and she's held
Articulate means to express thoughts or ideas clearly and effectively. For example, she is so articulate when explaining complex topics. That's it for today's episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed learning these words and phrases. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.